Hey y'all, it's Trent with Blood Mountain Craftsman again, and today I'm going to do a little bit more fishing. I found this spot a couple weeks ago and saw a bunch of fish swimming around. There were bass, bluegill, even some gar in there. So I'm going to go check it out today and see if I have any luck. All right guys, so I got two setups I'm going to run today. This one's pretty simple. Just got a number 8 hook with a bobber. I'm going to tie some live bait on that hook. I got some bluegill chunks from the last one, and then I'm gonna save this rod and use some rooster tails on that if I don't get any action on the live bait. Guys, I'm not sure how well you can see on my phone here, but all of those white circles are where the bluegill are spawning. There's a ton in this creek. Something hit that. These carp? There's a school of fish in front of me. I think they're carp. Check it out, guys. There's some more spawning beds up here. They're everywhere in this creek. All right, I just switched to a worm, see if we can get some of these bluegill. Because I have not caught a fish yet. Oh, look at him. Go after it. Oh my God. I think they stole it. Well, that was fast. I finally caught a fish. All right, the skunk is over. Whoa, that fish is gorgeous. Woo. That's all right, little dude. We'll get you out of here. Oh, that guy's gorgeous. Whoop. And maybe we'll try to catch one more of these guys. Oh my God, no way. Oh man, I could catch these all day. Oh, look at that. Get this hook out of here. There you go, little dude. Man, the color on these guys are just gorgeous. Oh. All right, that's fish number 2, right? Oh, these little guys are just tearing it up. Oh man, I could do this all day. Okay, let's get them unhooked. God, these fish are beautiful. Look at that guy. Hey, chill out. There we go. That's why they call them a sunfish. All right, finally caught a fish after like an hour. It's a bluegill, but I still count it. Just saw a snake swim by, so I'm a little freaked out, but I'm gonna go up the creek just a little bit more and see what else we can get. All right, we got the tail on again. We're just gonna go up here and see if we can actually catch something other than a bluegill. Oh wow, there's a gar in that hole right there. He does not look interested. Oh, oh. Holy shit. I don't know if he's still, yeah, he's still got it. He still got it. Holy shit. Let's see. Give him a little bit more line here. Oh no. I got the fish on, but got too excited. Oh no. Oh man, I thought I had him. Forgot to put my test all the way up. Oh well. That's a mess. That's what your reel looks like when you get too excited. All right, well, after that catastrophe, got her retied. Ooh, got a fighter. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Woo. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, got me. There we go. God, the colors on these guys are gorgeous. I'm so glad I started bending down the barbs on my hooks. They come off a lot easier. Well, that's a day for me, guys. Thanks for tagging along as always. I know I got a little bit too excited when I thought I finally had my first gar hooked. That's okay. I still caught a ton of bluegill, had a good time, and I think I'll probably keep coming back to this spot. There's a lot of fish in the water. But anyways, thanks again, guys, and talk to you again soon.